On Sunday, June 2nd, BJP and Congress announced their candidates for the upcoming biennial Legislative Council elections scheduled for June 13. The elections are necessary due to the retirement of 11 members on June 17. The BJP has named former Minister CT Ravi, sitting MLC N Ravikumar, and party leader Dr. MG Muley as their candidates. The JDS is expected to announce its candidate on Monday. Congress has fielded Karnataka Science and Technology Minister NS Boseraju, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's son Yathindra Siddaramaiah, Vasanth Kumar, K. Govindraj, Evan D'Souza, Balkees Bano, and Jagdev Guttedar. Additionally, Congress has announced Basanagouda Badarli for the upcoming MLC by-election to fill the seat vacated by former Chief Minister Jagadish Shettar, who briefly joined Congress after leaving BJP. Based on the current assembly strength, Congress with 133 MLAs can field 7 candidates, while the BJP-JDS combined with 66 and 19 MLAs respectively can field 4 candidates. Congress claims additional support from 4 MLAs including 2 independents.